guys, Mrs. Lindbergh here. We're going to be talking about the cube strategy today for helping us solve word problems or story problems or number stories. There's going to be lots of different words for these, but it's just basically a paragraph that explains some math stuff. So we're going to be doing the cube strategy, which you circle the numbers, you underline the question, you box the keywords, and then you eliminate the extra. Get rid of that fluff that you don't really need to solve the problem. They put that in there on purpose just to confuse you. So we're going to get rid of it. So we're going to be doing this page together today, solving number stories about Paula and her brothers. Quinn and Scott wanted to buy a video game. Quinn saved $21. Paula has saved $13. Scott has saved $5. The video game they want costs $42, including tax. How much more money do they need to save before they can purchase the video game? So we're going to circle the important numbers that we need. So we see that Quinn has saved $21. Paula has saved $13. Scott has saved $5. The video game they want costs $42. I'm going to box that, because that's some important information, some keywords that we're going to need. And I'm going to get rid of including tax. They threw that in there just to confuse you. It's already in there. You don't even need to worry about it. So that's that extra fluff that we don't need to worry about. So that's why we've crossed it out. How much more money do they need to save before they can purchase the video game? That is what we're looking for. How much more money? That's what we're looking for. How much more? So Quinn has saved $21. Paula has saved $13. Scott has saved $5. They're asking for an estimate. So I like to coordinate off, section it off over here between estimate and the actual. I always like to put them side by side so we can kind of compare that way. So our estimate, if we're estimating here between $21, $13, and $5, well, I'm going to go ahead and round $21 down to $20. I'm going to round $13 down to $10. And then Scott's, his 5's pretty easy, so I'm going to go ahead and add that all in together. So we have 20 plus 10 plus 5, which is $35. That's an estimate. It's about how much money they saved. It's not our actual number. This is an estimate. So if I look at that and I say $35, that's about how much they saved, and they need $42. That's about $40. So if I look at 35 and about 40, they need about, see that word about, it's not exact, they need about $5 more. That's how we do an estimate. We just look at it really quickly, and maybe you do this in the grocery store. I know I do this in the grocery store. I have a certain amount of money to spend, and I look and I'm like, that's about this much, that's about this much, and you just do a quick little estimate. That's a good skill to know how to do. Now let's look at our actual. So Quinn has saved $21. Paula has saved $13. And Scott has saved $5. So now we can add up the actual amount. Look how close our estimates were to our actual numbers. So we know that our estimate is going to be pretty close to the actual amount. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the actual amount that they've saved is $39. And the actual amount that they need is $42. So what you could do really quickly over here is you do $42 minus $39. I can't take 9 from 2. So I come over here to the 4, make that a 30. And then I take that 30 from that 40 and I give it to the 2 to make it 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. And then 3 minus 3 is 0. So the actual amount of money that they still need to save is $3. Now our number model with our answer, we have to start off with $42 because that's how much that they need. And we're going to subtract the actual amounts that we did over here. I'm going to group these with the parentheses. That's kind of getting you ready for algebra. Just a little flash forward there. So 21 is what Quinn saved. plus 13 what Paula has saved, plus 5 what Scott has saved. That's our group of numbers. And if we look over here at our actual, that was $39. I like to write it up above. Just makes more sense in my brain. So 42 minus all these numbers, which equals $39, and our answer is $3. They need to save $3 more to be able to buy the video game. And that's what our question was. How much more money do they need to save before they can purchase this $42 video game?